Hi, I am Ashley. I am making planter. Now I am coloring the bottle. Now making ears from plastic piece. Pasting ears. Making eyes from buttons. Making nose. Planter is ready. I am doing composting using waste material. Some cardboard pieces, brown leaves, kitchen peels, soil. Use the kitchen water. My composting will be ready in few days. My compost is ready. Put compost and soil in planter and mix it. Add some water and planting mint. Adding some more water. Now my mint planter is ready.